Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share my video. So today, as you can see on this video, I am about to decorate a cake, and the first thing I'm doing is to crumb coat it. So I'm done crumb coating. Now I'm going to be piping around the cake to start the full proper decoration. Then buttercream for this decoration. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to mix your buttercream. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. After crumbling my cake, there were some empty space, so I was trying to use my buttercream to fill up those empty space. Then I will still comb it. So this is the end result of my decoration. Look at how beautiful this cake is. So please don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Like, comment and share my videos. See you.